Right, there again, guys. Like I said earlier, on my last video, I've got loads of stuff to be stripping down. There's boards, there's all sorts. I've got about 80 computer boards stripped down and get all stuff off. So, this is actually out the old TV. These boards are better boards. I've checked back, see if there's any solder I could take off. There's none. What's any good for me? So, I'll take all these components off. These are aluminium. Get a magnet. Aluminium. Copper bearing motor. Some other little motors. Copper bearing motors. So I'll take all these off, get all copper off them. Take all components off. Show you quickly. I'll take some stuff off. You see, piece of aluminium. Don't matter about breaking this board. As I said, if this solder quite thick, I'd actually take it off with its soldering iron. Go around and break all this off. Just be careful when you take these off, because sometimes I have these rods in. And that's a magnetic, so they are steel. Just pull out with a pair of pliers. If you get a screwdriver. It's actually a transistor, so I'll snap these ends off. Just get it clean. There, that's a piece of aluminium. Like I said, I'm not too bothered about breaking the boards. I don't want to break these two boards because these are better grade boards. Sometimes you can use a pair of these. Give it a squeeze. It saves time just trying to unravel it all. See, that's copper wire, steel. They do break off quite easy, these. And again. That's steel. That's it. Let's get your copper off. So you can get some copper, aluminium. It's actually a copper bearing motor, Start with my copper main bolted box. There's actually stuff inside these. I'll tear one open and show you. As you can see inside, some top hats, monolithic ceramic capacitors, another top hat, to the other side. And some more monolithic ceramic capacitors. I've just cut myself. This copper in here, I don't bother taking that out, but I will take all IC chips and things out. Put that in another box. As I said, this board's a lot better. Some gold plating on here, IC chips, monolithic ceramic capacitors again. I will check underneath there. In fact, I think I can see the gold plated pins. Take the cover off. And you see there, these are gold plated pins, and that's out with old TV. Look on back, there's all monolithic ceramic capacitors. So I'll put that in a separate box. See these connections. These connections along here, they're gold plated. The top hat, some more monolithic ceramic capacitors. That's actually a better board. Got nothing on the back, as I can see. But it's a lot. That board is better than your low grade board. So you want to keep these separate. You can actually sell them to Board Soap, but because I'm from the UK, they don't buy them off me, so I strip them all down. Send it to a refiner. The refiner sort it out. So, just say, it's worth checking these things. It's right an old, really old TV. So you see a bit of gold, silver, only a little bit because it's plated. But I say sometimes it's worth having a quick look in these. Don't bother picking copper out, there's not enough there. But instead of chucking these in steel, I'll open them up, so have a quick look, see what's inside them. So please like and subscribe to this video. Please leave a comment and see you again.